Okay, so figure 3.4 on page 51 looks at the benefits we get from an increase in quantity. Now we said that the willingness to pay and the benefits can be shown as an area below the willingness to pay line. If I have two willingness to pay or demand curves over here, let's say the one in green and the one in blue, and I change the quantity that each of these individual, the blue and the green individual, gets from Q1 to Q2, then the benefits of the blue individual will be shown by this yellow area over here. So it's the area below the demand curve, the willingness to pay curve, and between Q1 and Q2. For the let's say for the green individual, it will be shown by this area over here, also below his willingness to pay line and between Q1 and Q2.